Hi everyone, it's Jodie. I'm back with another maintenance tip for you. Today I'm going to show you how to test your swim spa, and I actually just learned, so I'm very excited. So you're going to take your testing strips, dunk it in the swim spa, hold for a couple seconds. Now let's have a look. So we're going to take the test strip and hold it up against the container here to get our numbers. So you'll see the top there, I'm looking for an orange right in this range of okay. The second one, we're looking for a light to medium light purple. It looks as though my chlorine, that's my chlorine, is a little bit low. So I'm going to show you how to shock and add a little bit more chlorine. For green and alkalinity, we want it to be looking like a nice forest green somewhere in here. And then purple, definitely we want to make sure that it's more orange at the bottom here. So ideally it's kind of like a purpley orange, not too dark. So what we want to do now is add some chlorine, give it a little shock. So for the swim spa, I'm going to fill up about a capful. We're going to turn the jets on before we throw it in. That just makes sure that the chlorine will get moved around. So I'm going to turn on jets 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Throw it in. See how easy that is?